Right, so you want an auto clicker, you want to break the game or maybe just bend the rules a little. Good, because the SwiftPoint Z2 doesn't just support auto clicking, it takes it to a whole new level. Use it wisely or don't. I'm not here to judge, I'm here to show you how to set it up. So let's jump over to my computer and get it set up on the Z2 using the X1 control panel. The auto clicker that we are going to create today is a press and hold style auto clicker. This is a custom auto clicker in its simplest form. First, open the X1 control panel software and switch to expert mode. You'll find the toggle in the bottom left corner. Once inside of expert mode, you can decide to create a new profile specifically focused on the auto clicker, or you can assign this to a button of one of your pre-existing profiles. This is of course helpful for if you are wanting to have the auto clicker available for a game or software package that you are already working in and have a profile for. So with that in mind, let's use the latter and create the auto clicker inside of a pre-existing profile. So at the top of expert mode, you will see the profiles that you have already created back inside of simple mode. Simply select the profile that you wish to add the auto clicker to. I'm going to create the auto clicker inside of my test profile. And so once you've selected the profile that you wish to add your auto clicker to, it is now time to select the button that you want to add the auto clicker to. For this example, I'm going to be using my left fingertip button, and as you can see, my left fingertip button inside of my test profile is completely clean. So clean canvas, ready for me to add my auto clicker to. Coming back over to my left fingertip button, we can begin creating the auto clicker. When we begin with a blank canvas like this inside of expert mode, we need to select add mappings. Once selected, it will create a quick deep click mapping for us. We need to remove these by clicking on the three yellow dots next to the deep click mapping and selecting delete input. This has now reverted us back to a single left fingertip button. To add actions to this button, click where it says do nothing and a new edit menu will appear. Click on the drop down menu and select mouse. It will automatically generate you a left click and an action of tap. This is perfect. Leave it set to tap, as this means when we tap the left fingertip button, the auto clicker will begin. Next, we add the automation. Click on Add Output Action and click on the drop down menu and select Repeat, Wait, Stop, Alternate. Select the first drop down menu and change it from wait to repeat from, then move over to output ID and click on the drop down menu and select number 1. And in the next section, this is where we choose how many times you want it to click before automatically stopping. For this example, we're going to type in 3000. Side note, if you select 0, the auto clicker will repeat infinitely with no way to stop it. You need to assign a release key in the next step. So to stop that from happening, we've assigned the clicks to 3000. To stop the auto clicker, we need to assign a release action into the string that we've just built. You can assign the release to another button if you wish, but to keep this setup nice and clean, we will assign it to the same button. Where it says left fingertip release that currently says do nothing, we're going to click on do nothing. Then select the drop down menu and select repeat, wait, stop, alternate. You will now have a drop down menu that says wait, change wait to stop looping. Once you've completed all of those steps, come on down to the bottom right and hit the save button. And there we go. We've created our auto clicker macro. You're probably thinking, Sean, all of that looks awesome, but how do I save that macro to my mouse or to the X1 control panel's custom action library so to not have to manually create the auto clicker macro time and time again? Awesome question. I'm so glad you asked. You'll be pleased to know it is as simple as hitting the three yellow dots in the top left corner of your macro editor screen and clicking save. Naming it something memorable like Sean's sensational auto clicker, clicking save and bish bash bosh, you've created yourself an auto clicker macro that is now available for you to assign to any button on the Z2 across all of your profiles. Okay, so here we are inside of our cptest.org website. We're coming in, we've got it set up to a 5-second test to test out the auto clicker that we have created and saved on to the SwiftPoint Z2. So fingers crossed, all going well and we've set this up properly within the X1 control panel, our auto clicker should work, and this should tell us exactly how many clicks we are getting, and of course showcasing that it works. Okay, so without further ado, let's put our hand on our SwiftPoint Z2, and in the website that I'm using, cptest.org, it says click here to start playing. So we're going to press and hold our left fingertip button, and boom, there you go. You can see that it is now 100% working. There you have it, a pretty edgy video showcasing how to create an auto clicker for the SwiftPoint Z2, how to save it and assign it to other buttons and profiles within the X1 control panel. The options here with the SwiftPoint Z2 and the auto clicker are endless. Go exploring, have fun, but use it wisely. So that's all from me in this auto clicker video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other questions, drop them down in the comments section below. And as always, if you need any technical help about this auto clicker or anything else for the SwiftPoint Z2, please do not hesitate to contact us on support@swiftpoint.com. I'll see you guys in the next video.